With about 100 to 110 days to go to CAT, and with the CAT 2023 notification being released, now is the apt time to go ahead and identify your personalized 100-day strategy to go ahead and crack this exam. You need to know about which are the areas, which are your areas of strength where you would concentrate more, and whether that is in sync with the weightage of that particular topic in the exam. You need to understand, are there simpler methods of solving questions which you otherwise take slightly longer to do? You need to understand exactly where you stand vis-a-vis your competition so that you can create a robust strategy which will help you increase your percentile by that additional 10, 15, 20%. This and much, much more when you catch me on the 6th of August at 11 a.m. for a 100 days to CAT workshop on the BYJU'S exam prep app. Do not miss it for anything. We will go ahead and get deeper into what this exam is all about, what it entails, what the notification categorically states, and what exactly you should be doing over the course of the next 100 days, including creating a mock strategy and plan for you about how to distribute all the mocks, not just for CAT, but the other non-CAT exams as well over the course of the next 3.5 months. See you there on the 6th of August.